Good morning everyone. In today's video, we are going to discuss about conservation of resources, land resources and soil resources. So let us begin. What is conservation of resources? Yes, conservation of resources is protecting and preserving resources for the future generation. Students, as you know, resources are very important for any developmental activity. But irrational consumption and overutilization of resources may lead to socio-economic and environmental problems. Let me explain this with the help of an example. Now, natural resources such as petrol, coal, are very important minerals and considered backbone of our country. We require them every time in our day-to-day life. But nowadays, these are overutilized, which may lead to a crisis. You also know that these natural resources are non-renewable resources. So we should protect and carefully use these resources. If there is rise in the petrol prices, this impact can be clearly seen on our economic life. When we are extracting or drilling such resources, we are actually disturbing the environment of our earth. So students, as far as possible, we have to be very careful while using these resources. Resource conservation had been the main concern of the leaders and thinkers in the past. Mahatma Gandhi voiced his concern about resource conservation and rightly quoted, "There is enough for everybody's need and not for anybody's greed." He placed the greedy and selfish individuals as the root cause for resource depletion at the global level. He was against mass production and wanted to replace it with production by the masses. Hope this is clear, students. So let us move on to land resources. Land is a vital resource and it is present in limited amount. It takes millions of years to form a handful of soil. Land is important as it supports flora and fauna along with human life. Now, land resources is an asset but with limited quantity. Therefore, it is important to use the available land for various purposes with careful planning. Now, students, when we discuss land resources, we are specifically going to talk about India. So, what do we have here? About 43% of land available is plains. Now, plains provide facility for agriculture and industry. Mountain accounts to 30% of the surface area. Some of the major rivers start from here and lots of tourists flock to these places. So students, try to find out some of the rivers that start from the mountains. About 27% of the area is plateau and lots of mining activity takes place here. And why is that? Because it possesses rich reserves of minerals, fossil fuels and forest. Hope these things are clear.